In this video, I'll show you how to resolve the Smart App Control blocking issue in Windows 11 when installing games with safe and effective methods. Go to Search menu and type Windows Security, click on Open it. Select the App and Browser Control. Select Smart App Control Settings. Select this to off and select Yes option. And now you can minimize this and install the game you will like to install. Once the installation is complete, go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. And check my video description for this registry path, copy and paste it in address bar and press enter. On right side you can able to see verified and reputable policy state. Double click, set this value data to 1 and click on OK. And now you can close stuff here. Go back to the Spot app and browser control, Smart App Control setting, and it will back turned on and you are safe. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.